Vlog 2. Dos. So, 2 araw hindi nakapag-vlog. May gout ako. So, nag-recover. Ngayon magaling. Excuses, no? Wala eh. Kailangan pagaling. Kaya yun. Ending. So, I need to commit to this vlog. Para, wala lang. Para saan nga ba? Hindi ko rin alam. Kasi, nakahanap ako ng isang vlog or video in YouTube na sinasabing kailangan may creative output ka. And you need to have a creative output to see na you're growing. And not just growing, you're improving yourself from time to time. Kasi, di ko rin alam eh. Kasi may isang vlog about Renaissance man. Basta, ito. Search natin. Yan. Lupit. Okay. So, as you can see, Renaissance man. So, at least 3 hours a day. May daily system ka. Isa sa body, isa sa mind, isa sa creation. So, tigli isang oras yan. So, I'll commit on working out to have a better physique and to make my tempo good and well sound. Then, in regards with the mind, well, logically has deeper ideas, read classical literature, study history, and learning logic and mathematics. So, in regards with this mind, kung ano makuha ko, either philosophical, literature, Bible, or anything that makes me think, is part of the 1 hour a day. And another hour for creation, which is here, blogging, writing, essay, playing music, sketching, or etc. So, yun ang plano ko. I'm doing this vlog as a output of my creation or my creative side, and which I used to have or will have. I don't know. Tama grammar ko. So, yeah. Yun na yun. Renaissance Man program. So, sa susunod na ulit, yun muna. Video lang tayo. Bye-bye.